Hi everybody. Here we have few more vegetables. One is a curry leaves. We knew you are familiar with this curry leaves. And second type, a beautiful fleshy fruits, vegetables, tomato. So these tomatoes and curry leaves, these both are highly beneficial for our health, and these both are rich in nutrients. Let's see how these both vegetables and these spinach, nothing but curry leaves, are beneficial to our health. So here the scientific name of curry leaves is Murraya konegi, and the scientific name of tomato is Lycopersicum esculentum. First we will go through curry leaves. So these curry leaves are rich in fibers which helps in the digestion, proper digestion, and these are also helpful to improve our vision power of our eyes, and these are also best remedy to maintain our skin glowness, and highly beneficial to maintain the mouth environment without the bacteria, and highly these are responsible for proper hair growth, and these are rich in carbohydrates, proteins and fibers, rich in calcium, iron, phosphorus, and these are also rich in vitamin A and vitamin B and vitamin C and vitamin E. Coming to vitamin E, this vitamin E is known as beauty vitamin, in the sense the persons whomever they are fair, looks beautiful and handsome, female or male, their skin will be glowing more than the remaining persons. In their body the vitamin E is enriched because they looks beautiful or handsome generally. Okay, so here these are also containing antioxidants. We knew antioxidants allow the proper oxygen utilization by our body cells, proper oxygen utilization. So that is the main function of antioxidants. And these curry leaves also helps in the prevention of cancer and heart diseases, especially, dear everybody, the common dangerous disease, diabetes, sugar. So sugar levels will be under the control if we consume these curry leaves regularly, and these leaves have in the capacity to prevent the bacteria in our body. They prevent the bacterial growth, and main thing, nervous disorders. So any nerves problem, nerves weakness, they will be eliminated due to the regular consumption of these curry leaves in our regular diet. Okay, dear everyone. So coming to the next vegetable, nothing but fleshy fruit, Lycopersicum esculentum, tomato. So regularly we knew these tomatoes are used in the preparation of rasam, sambar, dal and everything, etc., and snacks items, side dish items and everything. So let me see the nutrients value of this tomato. So the special pigment is called lycopene. Lycopene is present because this is red in color. You don't think tomatoes are available only in red in color. These are available in green, orange, purple and yellow also even. So worldwide distributed. So these tomatoes are first time into our India, the farmers they have got from South America. So the hometown of these tomato, native place of these tomatoes is South America, dear everybody. So in this tomato also antioxidants are present, rich in roughages which are helps in the proper digestion, and they prevent the cancer, and these are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K and vitamin folate. Folate nothing but a B9. Vitamin B9 is called folate, and rich in vitamin K. So for the proper blood clotting during the injury, vitamin K is must and should, dear everybody, because tomatoes are must be added in our regular diet, in our food, dear everybody. So tomatoes also they are containing beta carotene. And tomatoes are naturally used in facial pack for the glowness of our skin, right? Especially by the female. So what is the reason? In the sense, in these tomatoes, the special chemical is present that is called naringenin. Remember everybody, the chemical name is naringenin. Due to presence of this naringenin, this tomato is used in the facial kits naturally. So dear everybody, take care that these curry leaves and tomatoes must be consumed through our diet by everyone, especially children, especially in childhood. Okay, second standard, third standard, fourth, fifth, etc., etc. From childhood itself, if we make our children to consume these sufficiently in the regular diet, when they will be grown into adult, they never will be faced different types of health problems in their future. So being a parent, such type of things are enough to provide to their body to make their health in future perfect. That's it. No money, no status and everything, no need to provide. Okay, we have to help them to provide those all, but according to their health, we must provide their healthy habits first, then automatically remaining all things they will be earned successfully. So health is wealth. Everyone take care. Thank you. Good luck.